Hello, today I'm going to show you the setup for Nexus 220 filter with a submerged pump. I have one video that is a setup for gravity feed. This time it's a submerged pump, water pump feed setup. So we have the Little Giant brand water pump, submerged pump connected to 1.5 white PVC pipe with a bulb, and then connected to the 2 inches PVC pipe. That 2 inches goes to the inlet of our Nexus 220 filter. You might notice why I have black pipe and white pipe. I'm just reusing what I have. And then the water goes to here, water flow to the inner chamber with our micro beads, and goes to the outer chamber with our regular bead. Then the water gets collected in this section, and the water goes out here, and we have the 2 inches back PVC pipe with the bulb. And then we have a split output pipe. One is in half inch, then one is 1.5 goes to our ultraviolet section, and then goes back to our pond. So there is 2 output pipe in there. I think one comment last video, they thought I only have that 1/2 inch pump. That's why I have trouble of the overflow. But no, but I suggest you have the bulb to control your water, your outflow, and then you have a bulb to control your inflow, so you're not going to have issue overflow in here in this section, and you don't have to worry with your bead going everywhere when that happens. So the setup is very easy for the submerged pump. The gravity feed is also easy, but if you don't have the elevation that you need for the gravity feed for your Nexus 220, submerged pump works really well. Get the Little Giant from Amazon. And my plants survived. The last video I had is it was withering because of the snow. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video.